আজি samla सबसे पहला खबरटी इटुबार लोकसभा इलेक्शन कारनी across country party khan sobra iman busy preparation kurgena ja thakya homoiti ticket ceremony for the PDA candidate Dr. Chumben Muri Ajibra held kurloshe kugina report palu ase program event Nagaland Chief Minister Niphiopi success karni wish extended kurdigena citizen of Nagaland manukhan ki Prime Minister Modi lead NDA government aro Dr. Muri support kuribole urge kurdisha aro Deputy Chief Minister Y Patanpi BJP Nagaland workers aro supporters khan ki candidate support kurgena success achieve kuribole encourage kuridishe aro Manipur state bra ekta breaking khobor pai thake asapti state laga chamla karni displaced kurgena ECA Kenan relief camp te thakya bacha khan 4 jon Churachandpur district Thugai noditi kapra thola bole jaatu pani phitote gusi jaigena jan hara jashe ko ase khoborte innocent bacha khan toli ekjon bra 9 years dujon 6 years aro ekjon 4 years inika thagisha aro kapra thola apchiti pani te khel thagya tamte jan hara jashe aro entire community khan achana khatsa opoti dangor afsos situation face kugena ja thagya khobor dia ase Khobor the World Air Quality Report 2023 asapti out of 7,812 city thakya macheti state capital Kohima city 465 rank te thakya ase aro PM.5 annual average Kohima to 33.9 microgram per cubic meter record kugena ja thakya report dia ase World Air Quality Report Kohima laga hawa toli PM 2.5 limit 5 to 7 times overall exit hoi thakya ko ase aro whole India world ti third rank record kugena Bangladesh Pakistan first second rank te record kugena thakya janibo pare ase World Health Organization WHO khan laga guidance hisabti sata country Australia Estonia Finland Grenada Iceland Mauritius aro New Zealand khan brahi annual PM 2.5 guidelines maintain kurbo pare ase aro out of 134 country thakya majiti 124 country aro region khan to 5 UG M3 exit kurgena ja thakya data release kuri dia ase next khobote election commission of India khan bra Manipur chief minister and Biren Singh official website model code of conduct MCC violate hoja issue karni suspended kuri dishe kogena circulate kuri thakya khantu sob mishamshi thakse kogena fake khobor circulate kuri thakya opoti chief minister official clarification kuri thakya khoborte ani dia ase ajikali dunia bishi batli hoi jagena mishamshi ulai thakya opoti 44 years maki ekjon Avahil area of Bangalore rented gote thakya tu neighboring building ti window door kholigena romance karni couple dujon opor Grinagar police station ti exclusive flirt behavior opor complaint uthai dishe ko ase complaint te couple dujon laga romance gester window door kholigena kuri thakya tu significant irritation eklan hogina treat of violence hojase ko ase aro itubra ta laga family discomfort hogina inika openly na kurbole ko atamti rape and murder kurbole thamkai dishe ko ase aro gor neighbor khan complaint kugena jatu gor malik khan pi couple dujon ke support thaksha aro olda thamkai dia issue ti FIR file up kugena section 504 506 509 aro 34 of Indian Penal Code intentional insult peace criminal intimidation words gesture nahulipi act of maki insult hesabti police khan detail investigation rakhi thakya report pailu ase India Meteorological Department IMD khan hawa pani update kuri dia asapti moderate to light rainfall activity with isolated thunderstorm and lightning state of Arunachal Pradesh Assam Meghalaya Nagaland Mizoram Tripura aro sub Himalayan West Bengal Sikkim ti ja kalibra effect hoi jagina experience kurlu ase aro March 25 tarikh tak ti ahibole jonai dia ase Itu karni forecast pai thakya opoti IMD khan tu yellow watch entire northeast region ti 5 din karni declare kur dia ase itu karni citizen khan tu weather update jani gena thakibole urge kuri thakya viewers khan ki jonai dia ase.